Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will start our next chapter, symmetry. Okay, 13th chapter is symmetry. First thing is, what is symmetry? Okay, what is symmetry? Symmetry is any two figures. You can say that they are any figures. You can say that they are symmetrical. Symmetrical means, suppose it is a rectangle, everyone know it is a rectangle. When I fold it in the middle, it is a crease will become on the page. Yes, when I fold it, it is divide into two equal figures. It means this rectangle, this is a symmetrical. Okay, it is a symmetrical figure. Same as it is. You can take, suppose it is a log. Okay, it is a log, and we know when we will cut in two parts like this one, in both parts are in equal proportion. In equal proportion means both are equal two parts. So it means they are symmetrical. One more example you can check it. Suppose it is a square. Everyone know it is a square. If I fold this square along its diagonal, when I fold it diagonal, so its two part cover each other completely. It means it is this figure square is a symmetrical. It is a symmetrical. Symmetrical means if any figures have in balanced proportion, in a proportion. Understand? There are the many example in our school, also in daily life we are using, which is our symmetrical. Some more example like this one. I make a rectangle, so it is a line. Yes, when we fold this rectangle as the along of this line, so it is covered into equal parts. Same as it is in triangle. In circle also, when we fold this circle like this one, it is cover each other completely. So this line is called line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Suppose I am saying you, it is only one more triangle. Like, you cannot say it is a line of symmetry because it is small part, it is bigger one. It is not a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means a figure has a line. Yes, a figure has a line. A figure has a line symmetric if a line can drawn dividing the figure into two identical. Identical means same. If a line in any figure drawn divide the figure in two identical, or you can say that same parts, then the line of this line is called line of symmetry. It is called line of symmetry. Everyone know? When I fold this rectangle, it is one crease will become here. So this crease we will call it is line of symmetry. It is called a line of symmetry. Understand? So note down. So if you understand what is line of symmetry, you can solve every question of this chapter. It is very, very easy chapter. It is line of symmetry. So line of symmetry means a line which divides the figure in two identical parts. Identical means same parts. Understand? And can you note down it? Okay. Now tell me, in any figure has more than two line of symmetry? Yes, it is one line of symmetry. If I will take here, it is also line of symmetry. Yes. If I will take here, it is also line of symmetry. Same as it is also line of symmetry. It is also line of symmetry. So in this figure, how many line of symmetry? 2. In this figure, 1, 2, 3. Many more. But in this figure, how many? Maybe like this one. In this figure also. This is also line of symmetry. So in a figure, maybe more than one line of symmetry. How many? Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, and more than 3. So right? You can note down a figure maybe a figure. I make here, suppose I'm making one more like this one. What I make, look at, I'm making this figure, okay, this one. Yes, in this figure, any line of symmetry, can you draw like this one? No, these are not two equal parts. Maybe zero symmetry, maybe zero line symmetry, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe more than 3. Understand? A figure may have no line symmetry. How much? No line symmetry. You can check it. In this figure have no line symmetry because this part and these two its parts are not identical. They are not equal. It means no line symmetry. May have no line symmetry. Maybe only one line symmetry. Only one line symmetry. Maybe two lines of symmetry. Two line symmetry, or more than two line symmetry. So always remember, in any figure, maybe no line symmetry, maybe one line symmetry, maybe two line, maybe more than two. So you can note down this, okay? So it is two line of symmetry. In this one 3, in this one 1, 2, 3. You can find one more 4 line of symmetry also. Here 0 line of symmetry. So you can write in this one 2 line symmetry, in this one 3 line symmetry, in this one more than 3, and here 0. How many symmetry? 0 line of symmetry. Now you understand what is line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means a line which divide the figure into identical parts. Now you can solve yourself all the questions. One more example, you can check it. Look at it is 1 second. It is a triangle. Maybe in some triangle line of symmetry or not, but it is a line. If I fold it, it is not two identical. It means it is not a line of symmetry. Means both are identical. Both are same. Understand it? But in this triangle, you can observe this triangle. Yes, it is a square. If I fold it, both triangles are same. It means it is a line of symmetry. Understand it? So now question number 1, 13.1. 13.1, question number 1. List any 4 symmetrical object from your home or school. So you can write any 4 example. What? This is our blackboard. Whiteboard is also a symmetrical object. You can write whiteboard. You can write. It is a symmetrical. You can make its figure also. Okay. It is. Yes, it is a symmetry. It is a symmetrical line. This one. Understand? Second example. What we will write? Yes. This duster. Also a line of symmetry. Yes, we can take in 2 equal parts. Here also you can take duster. Third example, what we will write? In your room and in our home, you can say that window. Yes, window has also a line of symmetry because it is a window. Everyone know? It is a window. It is a line of symmetry or not? Yes. either you will take horizontal or what, it is a line of symmetry. For any one more example, you will write yourself. Okay, in our TV, in our television also a line of symmetry. So you can write yourself, anyone. Okay, you can write yourself. One more example you can write. Any more you want to write? Yes. What will write? Whiteboard, anything what to write. Your door, our doors also line of a symmetry, because both are the middle of the lines is always divide the door, both two doors in a symmetrical parts. Next is now question number 2. It is very simple exercise. So question number 2. Yes, for the given figure, which one is the mirror line? Figure is given, this one dear. Here is two line given. Mirror line means symmetrical line. Okay, mirror line means symmetrical line, both are same. And it is one thing, it is L2 line, it is L1. So tell me which one is the symmetrical? Yes, if we fold along the L1 line, it is not a symmetrical. But when we fold along L2, when we fold this figure and this one, both are same or not? Yes. So it means you can write L2 is a mirror line. It is your answer. Very simple. Understand? It is your answer. L2. Because L1 is, if we will take only L1, tell me, L1. This line is symmetrical. No. When we fold it, it is a square. It is a triangle. It is not, both are identical parts. But when we will take, this is a, so this part and this part, both are equal, identical. It is mean it is a mirror line. So it is your answer. Okay, make the diagram by pencils. Okay, next, third question. Question number 3, very easy. Question number 3, A part. What is given? It is a lock given. It is a lock. Okay, everyone know. So we have to identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetric or not. Draw the line of symmetry. So tell me, it is a symmetric or not? Symmetric mean which is in proportion, equally proportion in. So it's mean which is, yeah, you right? Yes, it is symmetric. Yes, symmetric mean a line which divide into two equal parts. So which one is symmetric? This one or vertical? This one. So you have to draw like this one and write line of symmetry. Line of symmetry it is. Yes, this line divide into two equal parts. Next is B part. In B part, it is given, it is yes. Tell me, it is a line of symmetry. Yes. Which one? Horizontal or vertical? Yes, vertical. It is. This part and this part both are equal. So you can write yes, it is symmetric. And it is line of, you will write line of symmetry. It is line of symmetry. Next question. Next is C part. Okay. Now C part. Now tell me, there is any symmetric part? Yes. It is a. If I take this line, it is a symmetric. No. This is one person. It is another person. They are symmetric. No. It is not a symmetric, right? it is not symmetric. I already told you what is symmetric. Okay, you can find yourself, you can solve yourself all question, very easy questions. Okay, there is a you can write no line of symmetry. There is no line of symmetry. Next part, one more part of this one, you can make E. D part, find yourself. Okay, E part, this one. It is. Tell me, it is a symmetric or not? Yes, symmetric means two equal parts. So we will find it is line of symmetry. It is divided into two equal parts. Okay, right? It is symmetric, and it is line of symmetry. It is line of symmetry. The same as it is in other figure you can find. Okay. Now next question. Question number 4. Very easy questions in this exercise. It is copy the following on the squared paper. A square paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebooks in earlier class. The complete them such that dotted line, the dotted line is the line of symmetry. It is given, and it is given. We have to complete the figure. Complete the figure if this dotted line is already given line of symmetry. If this line is line of symmetry, it means both sides on left and right side of the line of symmetry, both sides are identical figure, because we know line of symmetry mean which divide the figure in two equal parts. It means same as whatever on right side, same as it is on left side. So you can draw that like this. You will complete this figure. So it is line of symmetry. Okay, you will make by this by pencil and scales. Okay, next is which one? D part. D part, look at D part is given. D part it is. So we have to find this line is a line of symmetry. So it means if we want to make complete, it means whatever on left side same as it is on right side. So on left side only this one half of the triangle. So we will complete it. Yes, same as it is on left side. It is like a square. So complete it. So it is line of symmetry. It is your answer. Understand it? Same as it is, you will do rest part. Part number B, E, F and C, do yourself. Okay? Now, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it a symmetric. We have given it is a L line given, and it is symmetric. It is symmetric. So we have to complete it. If it is a line of symmetry, it means whatever is given on top side same as it is on down side. So down side is this one. We have to make this one like this one. So it is a line of symmetry. It is a finish. Okay, it is finished. Very simple. Next is question number 6. Last question of this exercise. Next. in the figure, L is the line of symmetry. It is given. It is L line which is the symmetry. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so it is become symmetric. What is meaning of symmetric dear? Dear, symmetric mean whatever on given on right side same as it is on left side. Whatever on left side same as it is on right side. So we observe that in left side, we observe that in right side it is a shape of triangle on right side like this one. So it means same as it is we need in on left side also. And we observe on left side it is given this one and this one it is given. So same as it is we need on a right side. So you can make like this. So it is your answer. Understand? Same as it is. This one figure also on left side and this one also on that side. So it is a line of symmetry. It is your answer. Understand? Understand or not? Okay. So same as it is, you can do all the question and try to it. It's very simple exercise. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.